show you how to create an income statement. The instructions say the adjusted trial balance of Hanlon Corporation December 31, 2012 indicates the following accounts. Retained earnings are $16,804, dividends $4,207, service revenue $36,386, salaries and wages expense $13,214, insurance expense $1,918, rent expense $3,825, supplies expense $1,572, and depreciation expense $822. And then it says prepare an income statement for the year. Well, you have to think back to our statements that we learned way back in Chapter 1 and remember that the accounts that go on the income statement are revenue and expenses. So some of these accounts they give us are not even going to be listed on there, like retained earnings won't be on there and dividends won't be on the income statement. So we have revenues, and the first one we have is service revenue. And that amount was $36,386. And the next thing we have, next part of our statement, we list our expenses. We usually list them in alphabetical order, so I'm going to put depreciation expense, and it was $822. And the next one is insurance expense. Nope, not prepaid insurance, that's an asset account. Assets don't belong on the income statement. And that was 1,507. Nope, insurance expense is 1,918. And the next one in alphabetical order would be rent expense. And that was 3,825. The next one in alphabetical order is salaries. Wages expense. The payable would be on the balance sheet. And the last one I believe is supplies expense. There we go. And it was for 1,572. And then we will put total expenses, and we will total those up. We'll use my calculator. $822 plus 1918 plus 3825 plus 13,214. Have to clear it, sorry. That total is 21,351. And then this is our revenue. These are expenses. Our revenue is bigger than our expenses, so we will have a net income. When we subtract the 15,035. And that is how you make the income statement. Again, on the income statement, you just put your revenues and your expenses. Hope this helps you later.